Intense flooding in South Asia has entered its third week and already over 1,000 people are dead. Experts say the death toll will continue to rise throughout Bangladesh, India and Nepal. Emergency crews across the region are still finding bodies and taking survivors to dry shelters. Monsoon rains that began on August 10th have killed 1,009 people. Hundreds of thousands of homes have been destroyed. That's in addition to the 350 people who died in July's flooding in South Asia. The region is expecting more heavy rain on Sunday and Monday. More than 11 million people have been affected by the flooding.